Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Mask Monday. How did the time change treat you guys? Did it treat you good? Is it treating you well? I mean, you haven't even had it for 24 hours yet, but for some reason the fall back doesn't affect me like the spring forward. I don't know. Let me know. Does it treat you guys the same way? Okay, there we go. Just got to fix that little bow up on top. All right, let's get to this mask. My face is already cleansed. It has not been, doesn't have any toner on it though. So the mask I'm using is the Peach and Milk Sheet Mask. This one is by the Creme shop. Probably got this in Ipsy. I probably did, because that's the only place you get face masks. Really, the really good face masks is usually from Ipsy. So this one has the peaches and cream. It's supposed to be a fusion sheet mask. The benefits of 2 masks in one. The peaches rejuvenates and brightens signs of fatigue. The milk calms sensitive skin and corrects discolorations. I could use them both. Okay, this one is, or says, you know, to clean it and apply toner of desire. Yes, we're applying the toner. We're doing the toner. So I use the Rose Water Toner by Maman. Love it. A little expensive. It's a little pricey. It is. Not gonna lie. If you don't like roses, like a lot of people don't, then just skip right over that. Okay, let's get into this thing here. It's got a lot of serum in here. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. I tapped one on the reels. Ooh, girl, this is all yours. This is nice. I love that audio. This is goopy. All right, here we go. Oh, I know the girl that did my eyebrows is probably crapping her pants. She's thinking, Lori, you did not just put that over your eyebrows. Yes, I did. They're not supposed to get wet. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna do this? Gotta get those eyebrows out of there. Okay. So it's going to come up a little higher because I have to take it off my eyebrows. You do have these flaps right here if you're going to lay back and just relax. You just put it up over your eyes and it gives your eyelids the same benefits as the rest of your face. This smells so good. I can't explain it to you guys. Peaches and cream, oh yeah. It smells like peaches and cream. Seriously. Okay, we have the mask on, and as God is my witness, this looks like Michael Myers. This looks like a Michael Myers, I'm serious, it looks like a Michael Myers mask. Because there's, right here on the nose, the bridge of the nose. So I do have a box, or it's a bag. It was a subscription box, and I wanted to share that with you guys, that I've had since July. This is from SLAYGLAM box, and it used to be a pink little purse with a gray rope handle. Okay, here's the problem. I didn't put any contacts in, so even if, let me see, I've seen y'all girls wear glasses with these things. So we're just gonna, oh look, so much, this world just got nicer. It just got clearer. Okay, this one is Be a Bombshell, and it's the Bali eyeshadow. Be a Bombshell, I have a lot of their products. I'm just not a big user of them. This one is a quad. It has Silver Fox, White Lies, Drop the Mic, and Stiletto. So this is it right here. This is Silver Fox, White Lies, Drop the Mic, and Stiletto. Okay, the next one is by Icon. It's a gel liner. This one is green. I know you can probably see it, maybe not. Trying to get that reflection off with the, see the green. So it is a eyeliner inside here because it is a pencil. This is a sharpener, and they're really cool. They really are cool. I have like 3 or 4 of them. I got them, I think it was last year at Christmas time. Did I tell you it's an Icon gel liner, but it's by Kaylin, my favorite lip company that does my stuff. So see, there you have it. And then this is the pencil, the sharpener. It's got the little thing on the bottom. Snap it on, you're good to go. This is by Kaylin. It is a eye polish, and it's called Just Mineral. That's the actual name of the green, this lime green. It's a powder. I don't know if you can see it if I twirl it around. I don't know if you can tell. It's like a powder. Do you remember those lip products? And in the jar was powder, but when you pulled it out, it was nice and cold. It went on just like a lipstick, like a liquid lipstick. I believe Kaylin was the one who made those as well. I got those a couple years ago. But see, it's a powder. There's nothing in there. It's just moving around like a powder. And then you go like this. You have this little, and it's like wet, you know. It has this creamy feel to it, but at the same time, it does feel like a powder, but it's also going on like a cream. It's really cool. It's very pretty. I'm all sitting here just wanting to keep dipping into it. Can you? Oh, it does build up. It does build. It's not going to move. It's not going to give you any colors if you shift it. So it's not any kind of multi-chrome or just a, you know, I don't think it's anything like that. So, and then this one also by Kaylin. She does get a lot of Kaylin products, and you know, and I don't mind them. I love them. She gets a lot of Mora. She gets a lot of what's this other one here? Yep, Moira or Mora. But anyhow, and I love the products that she gives in her bags. This is the Air Touch Tinted Gloss Stick by Kaylin. Let's see. Sorry. It's a lot of box for a... See, I was hoping, oh my God. This is the same like the tube that my favorite one comes in. Oh, it would have been so awesome to have gotten my color. But this is pretty. I don't mind this one. It feels nice. Kaylin has beautiful lip products. Beautiful lip products. They don't dry. They stay all day. They're not sticky. And you can get about 2 hours into your wear and not even know you still have it on your lips. I swear by these. It's hard to be funny right now because my lips are having a difficult time. It's like this thing's got them very tight. It's a tight mask. Now again, what am I going to blame it on because I got a big face? I got a big face. I don't know. And then the last product by Moira. This is the Kiwi Befriends eyeshadow palette. Juicy Series palette. The sleeve matches the palette, or the palette matches the sleeve. And these are your colors right here. Gorgeous, right? Very pretty. Shall we swatch a few? These pressed glitter ones right here, that's what I want to do. Oh, this avocado. It's like the outer peeling of an avocado, then the avocado inside. Right? Of course, it's not really looking like that. There they are. Those are the 3. I'll show you in just a second in the palette which colors I swatched. So it's right here. This is like the outer peeling of avocado. This is like the inside. And then this is just a gold. Ooh, that's color still got on. Oh, it's still transferring. See, that's nice to know. The fact that it's still coming off my fingers, I'm happy with that. So it's this one here, that one there, and then these two. That's like the inner avocado. There's the gold, and there's like the peeling of an avocado. But it's kiwi, right? It's a kiwi. So we got to dip into these. We got to dip into this one right here. Oh my God, look at this. Crazy. Oh, that's crazy dark. Let's see. Lord have mercy. A little chalky. You're gonna have to pat it, or you're gonna have to make sure you get something under your eyes, or you're gonna have some fallout. So, yeah. Look at that. That's just beautiful. It's got some payoff. All right, let's get over here. This one is called, I have to get it just right. Call on me. Okay, call on you. It's a darker one. This one right here. That one right there. It's pretty dark. I know they say kiwi, but I keep referring to like an avocado. Oh my gosh, look at that. Pretty. And these are gorgeous colors. Wow. We're going to do one more swatch, and that's because I want to see what this color right there looks like. It almost looks like a gray, but a deep grape, like it has purple in there. Oh my goodness. It's my favorite. That's my favorite. That right there is my favorite. That went on so smooth. Crazy smooth. I'll be wearing that one. This right here, these are beautiful. So, okay guys, I'm going to take this thing off. Let's see what's going on here. It's been at least 10 minutes. And I didn't get to tell you guys a story. Ooh, that feels nice. I will say this, I am loving the scent. And this thing is like still saturated. I love the smell of the peach. Oh, there we go. That's like being at the spa. Don't waste this serum. I mean, last night I got carried away watching videos, because my weekends are when I catch up on everybody, you know, all of you guys that I subscribe to, if you're watching my video right now. The weekends are when I'll do some recording, and while I'm doing some recording and I'm done and I'm doing editing and so forth and so on, I can play the YouTube videos, and I help you guys get your minutes, your watch time. I let it play. If I can't watch it all, I let it play. But not 90% of the time I watch the whole thing. Get your likes, and I leave a comment. I try to. Sometimes I'm just like on the go, and I just hit that like button and I'm on the next one. Gotta go. Got a lot of them in line. Anyway, so I catch up. My point is I catch up on watching YouTube videos. Your YouTube videos. So I hope whoever's watching this video is a YouTube channel creator that's doing the same for me. I don't know. We'll see. If you are, leave me a comment down below, because I would like to know that you stopped by. That'd make my day. All right, you guys, that is the Creme shop. I can't even turn it upside down because the serum will dump out. There's a lot in this little pouch. And I know some of you guys put them in little containers. It'd be perfect because I could store it there in the COLLAB. But maybe I'll start doing that when I open these up and there's a little extra. That felt good. It felt nice. It did. It felt nice. It's a little sticky right now. That's okay. It's okay. It's a little sticky. Next time, next Mask Monday, we're going to tell a story. Okay? Because I had a really cool story. I told my husband which one I was going to tell you guys. and he thought it was kind of funny too. So it happens to be set back in 1971. Everybody knows my age. I was 5 years old. You guys take care, and I hope you have a blessed week. You guys, thank you so much for stopping by and just sitting here while I pamper my face and show you guys the very last SLAYGLAM bag that I got. And I hope you guys like the products inside. Leave me a message if you're interested in this subscription. I do have a link to it. So, all right, you guys, take care, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.